Hello Bliss Beauties and Babes, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Korean and Japanese beauty and skincare box from Nomakenolife. Thank you so much to Nomakenolife for sending me this box to review for you guys. I thought this fun beauty and skincare box would be perfect for all of my beauties and babes who want to try something different, unique, and straight from Japan. I'll tell you all the details, including how you can save money on this box with my coupon code, but first, I'm so excited to dig into this box, so let's get started. First off, I love that the box is pink and it has a lot of detail. I love that they show where you can find them, as well as their really cute little hashtag. I love that you can recycle this box, and look how cute this pink paper is. Overall, very thoughtful, cute packaging. One of the things that I wasn't sure about with ordering a beauty box from another country was I wasn't going to know how to use anything. So I'm so glad it came with this little pamphlet. It tells you everything about the products, and it's really nice quality. It even has directions and recommendations on how to use some of these products. And another thoughtful thing I thought was really cool is they have a horoscope face mask. Our box comes with 8 items, so let's get started. First off, I wasn't sure what to expect because it is a skincare and beauty box, but I was so pleasantly surprised to see full-size products in here. This is a honey foaming facial cleanser. The other 3 options that could have come in your box are the deeply moisturizing, there's a rose one, or a charcoal one. And it's kind of funny how I know a lot about skincare from all the DIYs I do. And honey is really great for glow and overall skin evenness. This face wash is great for the morning or the evening and has all natural ingredients. And look how much it lathered on my dry skin. Okay, next I saw this really cute little blush. This says it's a lovely cookie blush. The packaging on this is so incredibly cute, you guys. Of course, packaging is not everything, but I think when you do have cute packaging, it makes your makeup a lot more fun. I might have a little bit too much of my summer tan for this blush right now. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of this video where I'm going to be trying on everything. Then we can really put this cookie blush to the test. And next, I had no idea what this was, but I'm so glad I had that little booklet to explain what the heck this does. This is a foaming tool and cleansing powder set. I think that this is one of the really cool things about this box is that you get to see what other countries' trends are. So right now, foaming cleansers are popular in Japan. So this set comes with 2 packages of skin enzyme cleansing powders. You can also use this with the other face wash that's in the box. It also says body wash, so I'm actually really excited to try this one out. So next, this is an eye and lip topper. This is such cute, tiny little packaging. I think the real test will be when I actually use it on my eyes and lips, because it has a very pretty iridescent color to it, but you can't really see it on camera. But it is glittery, iridescent, and I was expecting it to be glossy, but since it goes on your eyes as well, it wasn't. The next item is another skincare item. This is the Even Lip Spout Pouch Snail Essential Cream. It says it improves skin's elasticity, and I really like that it has a screw top. Next up, I'm really excited because I've never tried a lip mask before. This is in the scent Mint Chocolate, so I'm actually really excited to try this one out. Next is another makeup product. This is the Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. So I've heard of Tony Moly before. I know they sell them at Ulta. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute, has cute packaging, and I definitely will be trying this in one of my Get Ready With Me videos. And last but not least in this box, this is the Choco Mint Face Mask. I love that the lip mask and the face mask coordinate, and it's going to be really fun to scare Adam with because it's one of those full face ones. So that was everything for the August Nomakenolife box. I think overall it was well-rounded with beauty products and skincare. I was pleasantly surprised to not only see full-size items of skincare, but also lip products. And I really like that more than half the box is a more than one-time use product. Overall, I think if you're looking for a fun, new way to try out Korean and Japanese beauty products, the Nomakenolife box is perfectly unique for you. Don't forget, I have a $5 off coupon code for you to use that will be listed down below. This will bring your beauty box down to $30 and you get free shipping. Don't forget, if you want to see all of these products in action, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!